So first of all, take off the front frame by unlocking the clips on the front. As you can see, there are 8 clips that you have to take off. And then take off the silicone part of the case. As you can see now, the case is clearly divided into 3 parts. Now we're placing the iPad into the PC part, and check your camera, your headphone port, and your charging port is in the right place. Then put the silicone part back. Adjust it nicely. And then finally, we're putting the front frame back. Press it a bit, make sure that it's locked. Done. Now in the following video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the shoulder strap. Use the broomstick to insert the hook on the corner of the case. As you can see, there are holes on 4 corners of the case. Now it's done. Finally, connect the hook with the shoulder strap. Now it's all done.